soon.
Release your hate, do what you gotta do. Prepare yourself, be strong, you gotta make it through. I'm the one who'll make you scream. I wanna say it again. No discrimination is my motivation. You're calling me a freak, oh shit, that's your opinion. I don't care and I don't play fair. Yo, I had enough cause you stop and stare. Reject the broken words and let me flow. Yo, I come to show you now who got to go. Stop talking in my back, you better let me know. So better hurry up and never say no. Try to hear my voice on this microphone. I will spit the words that will crush your bone. I am your worst nightmare, I'm inside your home. I'm ditching all your kids so they won't be left alone.
You left me with no soul, my friend, and I'll be